Duke it out is an idiom often used in informal speech and writing, which means to engage in a vigorous, often heated, and competitive confrontation or competition to determine a winner or resolve a dispute. This expression likely originated from the notion of two people, often nobility or individuals of high social status, settling a disagreement or rivalry through a formal duel, historically known as a duke. Over time, the phrase has evolved to encompass a broader range of competitive scenarios beyond physical combat. In a broader context, duking it out can apply to various situations where individuals or groups vie for supremacy, dominance, or resolution. It implies a head-to-head contest where parties assert their skills, abilities, or arguments to determine who prevails. This phrase is not limited to physical fights, but is commonly used metaphorically to describe verbal debates, competitions, negotiations, and conflicts in diverse settings. In sports, duking it out is often associated with intense matchups between rival teams or athletes. These contests are marked by fierce competition and a strong desire to emerge victorious. Whether it's a boxing match, a basketball game, or a tennis match, the phrase captures the essence of the competitive spirit that drives athletes to give their all in the pursuit of victory. In the world of politics, duking it out takes the form of heated debates and election campaigns. Political candidates and parties engage in spirited debates to convince voters of their positions and policies. These debates often involve sharp rhetoric and passionate arguments, as each side strives to demonstrate its superiority and win the support of the electorate. In the business world, duking it out can refer to fierce competition among companies in the same industry. Rival businesses may vie for market share, customers, or contracts, employing various strategies to outperform their competitors. This competitive environment often leads to innovations, improvements in products or services, and benefits for consumers, as companies strive to come out on top. In interpersonal relationships, duking it out can occur during disagreements or arguments. When individuals have conflicting viewpoints or interests, they may engage in discussions or debates to assert their positions and resolve differences. While it's important to maintain respectful communication, disagreements can sometimes become intense as both parties passionately advocate for their perspectives. In conclusion, duking it out is a colloquial expression that encapsulates the idea of engaging in fierce competition, whether it's in sports, politics, business, or personal interactions. It highlights the determination, rivalry, and sometimes combative nature of human endeavors, where individuals or groups strive to prove their worth or achieve their objectives. While this idiom conveys a sense of intensity and conflict, it doesn't necessarily imply hostility, but rather the inherent drive to excel and succeed in competitive situations.